Fake currency detection with machine learning algorithm and image processing. Abstract. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. Learning outcomes related to MATLAB and image processing are also mentioned, emphasizing the practical knowledge and skills gained through this project. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Fake currency detection with machine learning algorithm and image processing include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the code path. Next, open MATLAB to 0 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure shows the original input image, the second figure indicates gray image, the third figure indicates final classification results using dialog box, the fourth image indicates the confusion matrix image. In the command window display the feature extraction data, metric values, that is training accuracy by SVM. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030 333 433.